Tamang sahod, tamang pagawa, yan ang dapat sa manggagawa. Gumagawa kami ng tama, kaya kailangan namin ang tamang sahod para naman may pantutut namin sa araw-araw namin. Kaya kung hindi nyo ito bibigay, magkakaroon kami ng pag-iwakay, lahat general strike, gagawin namin para lang maibigay nyo tamang sahod para sa amin.
Sabi tayo Spanish video. Ay taasan upang walang kilingan. Hey, madam. Workers, I and my co-workers must have a greater salary. We are deserving workers. Harris Day. Because we offer our lives just to serve your company. We work all day. All night. We ignore the high sunrise. And then, he didn't give our greater salary. Why are you like that? If you will not give our high salary, if you will not give our high salary, see you in the court.